I am just about out of taco seasoning. This particular taco seasoning recipe has been a labor of love for me. It was a big goal for me to be able to grow all the ingredients for this recipe from my home garden over the last 6 months. Now you can grow all the ingredients like I did, but more than likely you already have all the ingredients that you need in your pantry. By making your own taco seasoning, you can be saving a lot of money and it's super convenient. Besides that, it's also super easy. You don't need to go to the store and grab one of those packets just to have Taco Tuesday dinner. So let's get right into it. I'm Katrina with Homegrown Florida. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for more videos just like this one. We use taco seasoning a lot, probably more than the average family. Not only do we use it on our tacos, but we also use it in lots of other Mexican dishes like enchiladas, burritos, taco salads, you name it. Besides those dishes, I also have this seasoning for things like enchilada sauce, spicy tomato sauce, and a very yummy chicken tortilla soup. Pretty much any dish that you would like just a little bit of extra spice. The thing I really love about this recipe is that you can tweak it to your taste. If you've been watching the channel long, you know my husband does not like spice very much. So I normally reduce the spicy ingredients, but we absolutely adore garlic and onions, so we really ramp that up. For today though, I'll be making the standard recipe for you. If you do want to grow all your own ingredients, I'll put the plants that I grew in the description below. Then all you need to do is dehydrate them. I dehydrated garlic, onions, chili pepper, and oregano. You can also grow paprika peppers and cumin herbs, but mine all failed this season, so I'll be trying those again next year. Let me show you the lineup of ingredients for the taco seasoning. I'll add the full recipe to the description below. We're starting with 1 tablespoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon garlic powder, half a teaspoon cumin, half a teaspoon of oregano, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Mix it up really well and store it in a glass container, and it should be good for about a year. I usually just make enough to cover about 2 or 3 recipes at a time, since it is really easy and fast to make whenever you need it. When you are going to use it to make tacos, sprinkle about 3 tablespoons of this seasoning on the meat, and then add about anywhere from half a cup to 1/4 of a cup of water. I've known some people who say to add 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, which will help things thicken up the sauce a little bit, but that's totally a preference. Try it out and let me know what you think. Head down into the comments and leave me a note. If you're interested in making more homemade seasonings from your garden, check out this video here about how I made my own Italian seasoning. The herbs grew like crazy and the entire process was super easy.